Hello there, Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. Sometimes you may be feeling bad and you don't even know why. You're just not feeling happy or good or up. So here's how you can do TAT to help yourself. And this is just a really short version of TAT. There are many more steps we're not doing. So this just might take some of the edge off of that for you. What we do first is the intention. So we put our hands palm over our heart chakra. That means near the heart and midline, and we just make this intention. This healing's on behalf of you, your whole family, all your ancestors, your conscious and subconscious mind, all the parts of you, all the points of view you've ever been identified with. For all beings involved, all beings who'd like to benefit, and it'll happen in a way that's safe and easy. And what we do is we put into the pot, meaning just the place we're putting whatever it is we're working on, whatever it is that's making me feel like this. Just not good, bad, in the way you're feeling bad right now. And we don't have to define it. It's just that's what we're calling this as we do these couple of steps. So your whole body, your whole energetic system knows what is making you feel the way you're feeling right now, and you don't have to figure it out. Okay, so that's what's in the pot. Whatever it is that's making me feel like this right now. And if there are 20 things that are making you feel like this right now, maybe your system can handle all at once 5 of them, maybe parts of 20 of them. We don't know, but we're just saying, whatever it is that ended up with me feeling like this, that's what we're working on right now. Okay, so then we do the TAT pose. That's thumb and ring finger, light touch just at the upper inner corner of each eye, middle finger in the middle, about a 1/2 inch above eyebrow level, midline, and the other hand is at the base of your skull. So your thumb is just above your hairline and your hand is centered back there. You don't have to have your thumb in that notch. It's just like that, okay? So you do that and just listen to the couple of statements I'll be saying without trying to do anything. You just listen and see what happens. Okay. Everything that led up to my resonating, identifying, and connecting with this happened. All that happened, it's over. And I no longer resonate, identify, or connect with this. And then think of how you want to feel right now. Hopefully that lightened things up already. And you can just think of something like, I feel lighter and happier right now. Something simple like that, or whatever you want. So it can be that one statement you come up with, or several statements, just make them all in the here and now. This is how it is right now. And then we'll do the pose. And say that to yourself silently or out loud, whatever you chose for yourself, 3 times while you're in the pose. Okay, there you go. So hopefully that has helped lighten things up for you. Thank you for listening and see you next time.